Poco Laptop models may be coming to market as rebranded Mi laptops, alleged battery listings suggest. Poco may launch laptops in India as two laptop battery models have reportedly been spotted on Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) website. The model numbers R15B02W and R14B02W are listed with both Mi and Poco branding, which suggests that these could be rebranded Mi laptops that launch under Poco branding. It seems like Poco, that recently became an independent brand globally, is looking to diversify its portfolio beyond smartphones. As of yet, the brand has not shared any information on any upcoming laptops. The Poco branded laptops are expected to come with battery models R15B02W and R14B02W, as tweeted by known tipster Mukul Sharma. These model numbers were spotted on BIS certification website, which means that they will eventually launch in the country. However, both models were listed under Mi and Poco branding, which further suggests that these could be rebranded Mi laptops that will launch under the Poco brand. That isn't surprising at all, considering the number of Poco phones that are rebranded Redmi phones. As per an AliExpress listing, the battery with model number R15B02W appears to belong to Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 that is available in China. Judging by the R14B02W model number, it could be for a 14-inch version of the laptop. These laptops models could come to India under Poco branding. Besides the model numbers for the batteries, there is no information on these rumored laptops. Xiaomi offers the Mi Notebook 14 and the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition in India, and recently added a Mi Notebook 14 e-learning edition to the Mi laptop portfolio. Earlier this month, a phone believed to be Poco M3 was spotted on Google Play supported devices page with model number M2010J19C, suggesting that it will be launched in India in the future. Poco M3 made its debut in Europe last month and is a budget-friendly offering. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.